Hello everybody, it's Diane again, coming at you with a quick and easy empties video. This is everything I used up between the 1st of this month and the 31st of this month of January. So it might not be stuff that I necessarily started in this month, but I finished it this month, if that makes sense. And I love these videos because you guys get a real sense of kind of not only what I use up and actually go through, but if I like something or not, and maybe it'll help you decide if you would like to try something. Or if you see something that I say I don't like and you didn't like it, you'll know we have similar tastes or whatever. Now, just because I don't like it doesn't mean that you won't like it and blah, blah, blah. This is just my opinion on things that I've used up and if I would repurchase them. I also wanted to note that next month or February, I'm getting my last BoxyCharm. I had paid for a year in advance, my second month of Ipsy, and my very first Jeffree Star mystery box. I own nothing of Jeffree Star because I've never taken the plunge. And one, I don't usually like to order anything offline, but I wanted to give it a try. I got the smaller box. I think it ended up being like $52 after like tax and shipping or whatever. Kind of expensive, but hopefully it'll be worth it. And I wanted to try his products. I've also thought this would be a better way to try more products because although I live in Minnesota where there is Mall of America and they just opened a Morphe store, which does carry Jeffree Star products, this would be a cheaper way for me to do it because at that store I could get probably like one palette with that amount. Or this way I'm going to get lots of little things. I can try out like a highlighter and some lipstick and whatever. So with that, let's get into our empties video. So the first thing I'll kind of start, I don't know. Let's start with hair. So I made it through this Ion Bond Therapy Bond Repair Conditioner. So Ion is a Sally Beauty brand. I liked it. It doesn't have much of a smell to it. I felt like I got through this really, really quick. It was nice. It's supposed to have like color treated hair, which I do. You can't really tell because it's a lot grown out, but there's some black and stuff in here and brown. And I'm pretty gross looking right now, but just bear with me. I would buy this again. I had some coupons and some free points and stuff, so this was good. I would try it again. I also got this little Way sample from my sister. I think she got it in one of the Sephora plays. It is the Way Hair Care Wave Spray. And I actually do like the smell of this. Let me see if I remember. And the sprayer is actually pretty nice too. And it lasted me a long time. I don't really know how to use a wave spray really necessarily. I just kind of sprayed it all over on days when I wasn't too greasy, kind of tame hair mostly, and for that good smell. So I wouldn't repurchase this. I know Way is really expensive. So yeah, I mean, you could definitely get the Way Wave spray if you want, but it was nice to try. For like body care, I made it through Up and Up, which is Target brand baby oil, mild and gentle. So I do use this not necessarily directly on my skin, but I use it like I'll squirt some in my bathtub, especially in the winter, in the dry months. See, and there's even like a tiny bit left. But once you get it down to the nozzle, like nothing squirts out, so whatever. This took me a really long time to get through. One, because I probably bought it and used this much and then forgot I had it for years. But once I started using it, I probably got through it in a couple months. I take a lot of baths, but I do like it because in the bathtub it'll cling to your skin, so it's really moisturizing. So I'd probably at one point get some other baby oil, but this one was fine. I would get it again. What else? For body, I made it through this Bath Bomb Trio by Simple Pleasures Magnolia Blossom Scented. My sister gave me for Christmas. So I really like these. These were really nice. They were also pink bath bombs, so they made the water smell and look really good, and I would definitely get these again. I don't know where Simple Pleasures is from. It might be something from Target, or I'm not sure. And then I got this. So Lien's Light of Lotus is a brand in St. Paul, and this was like a giant bath bomb. Really big, like big. And it looked like a amethyst geode. I really liked it. It was nice. They're kind of expensive. I want to say they're maybe like $8 to $10 a piece. I probably wouldn't buy it again just because I'd have to go out of my way to be able to get it. Like I'd have to go to the Schmidt Brewery whenever they have like open selling days for the artists that live there, or I don't know, find her online and meet somewhere, and I don't know. It's too much work. So for me, I probably wouldn't buy it again, but if I come across her again and I have some money, I'll give it a try. Give her a try though. She's pretty good. And what else for body care? I have this Skin Laundry foaming face wash my sister gave me. I think again she got it in a Sephora play. This burned my eyes, so I ended up just using it as like a body wash. It was fine. I would not repurchase. And the smell's nothing to write home about. So yeah, I didn't think it was great and it hurt my eyes. So I would not purchase this again. I also went through a Clinique Pep Start 2-in-1 exfoliating cleanser. I think I got this. Yeah, I got this one for my sister too. She gave me a lot of these samples she'd gotten in Sephora plays that she wasn't using, which is nice. I like the smell of it. It does have like gritty texture because it's exfoliating. I did like it, but I normally just used it. I used it a couple times on my face. I don't always like to use exfoliator ones on my face because I find it a little harsh on my sensitive skin. But I used it like on my arms and décolletage, and I thought that was really nice. So I'm finding I really like Clinique. I haven't really tried their makeup, but I like their skin products a lot. So I will definitely buy more skin products from Clinique. I also made it through this Belif True Cream Moisturizing Balm. You can get these at Sephora. This is kind of the smaller of the sizes. And I like I actually like the Aqua Bomb better, but the moisturizing balm is just as fine. I feel like I go through this like super quick. Oh, there's a tiny bit in the cap. I'm gonna put it on my hands. I love the smell of it. I think it's really, really nice. I forgot to even look in the cap. Not wasting it. So nice. But I like how weightless it feels on my face and it seems to seep in really quickly. So I really like these. I find that they're very expensive. So if you can get them when they do like 20% off or whatever, that's really nice. I don't know if like the actual brand Belif has like, I'm sure they have a website and maybe they have like discount days and stuff too and coupons. So this is really nice. Would definitely repurchase again. Although, not that I'm in a no buy or low buy, but I am trying to like randomly use up stuff that I have and be more thought conscious and have been this way for quite a few months now. So it will probably be a while before I buy this again. I have a couple samples and stuff I want to get through first, and then I go back to this. Or I might try something new that's cheaper. We'll find out. I also got this. This I had originally gotten in a sample size. This is a full size face cream. It is the Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening SPF Moisturizer. I love the smell of it. Oh, it smells like Fruit Loops. I loved the sample, which made me buy this, and I had a coupon for it and got it at Ulta with some points, so it was a little bit cheaper. I really like the sample. I really didn't like this. I had to struggle through it. It put such a white cast on my face. The big one is so thick. And it's nice that it has moisture, or not moisturizer in it. It's nice that it has SPF 15 in it, so it helps throughout the day. But I ended up just using it as like a night cream because I felt like it was too thick, and then my face looked white all day if I didn't wear makeup over it. So I would not repurchase this again, but if I got a little sample size, I would like that. So there's that. And then I also made it through this little Vichy Lift Active Supreme face cream. Focus, you bastard. Anyway, I got this, I think, in the 12 Days of Beauty Advent calendar I got for Christmas from Target. I really liked it. I think I've had a foil pack of this before, and because I had a foil pack, you could only use it like once or twice. So I couldn't really tell if I liked it. I don't like the lip on this because all the product gets stuck up under the lip. Or a lot of the product in the end, so you gotta like scrape that out. I don't mind getting stuff out of a pot, clearly, with the Belif stuff. I would definitely try this again. I don't know how expensive it is, but I did like it. I was happy to have it. Okay. Then I have a couple face masks I went through. So I have this Sue Glacier Moisture Plumping Mask. I think I got this at Walmart. I thought it was fine. Nothing to write home to mom about. Or I might have gotten it for my sister. I think I got that from my sister. I can't remember. And then this one I know I got from Walmart. It's the Maskology Collagen Web Mask. Collagen, the mask you put on over, it's like a hard sheet of paper. It didn't feel nice on the skin. I wouldn't buy this again. And then the Tatcha, they're still like, I could probably like squeeze all the stuff out of here and use it on my face. But it's the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I got 2 of these in a BoxyCharm last month. I used one. I liked it. I thought it was really nice and moisturizing. I'm not gonna worry about scraping all the stuff out of there. Oh, I also went through this Da Bomb Snowball Frosty Bath Fizzer my sister gave me. So this was blue with a lot of sparkles. It made the bath very beautiful. I really like the smell, and this was really fun to do with my kids. And I've purchased these before and would purchase them again. They're really great. Not necessarily this specific one. That's like a holiday one, but it was really good. All right, then we're gonna do makeup last. I made it through a Little Dawn hand renewal with Olay Beauty soap. It did its job. It was nice and moisturizing. A Glade spray in clean linen. We get this one a lot. They're usually like $1 or $2 at Target or Walmart. And then I made it through a lot of candle stuff. So I made it through this little Yankee Candle Pumpkin Time. So it's a mix of apple pumpkin and pumpkin wreath, and it looks like a swirl when you buy it. This one burned beautifully and smelled divine. If I could get these, they don't make them anymore, I would. This was really good. This was a holiday elevation candle from Yankee Candle in Sweet Frosting. And I really liked it. I think that some of the elevation when you just smell the candle doesn't smell as good as when you burn it. But when you burn it, it kind of has a coconutty smell, I almost feel like. But this was a holiday limited edition scent, so you probably won't be able to find it anymore. Maybe on their website. They burn really beautifully. It smells like baking cookies. It's really nice. I would definitely buy that again. And even have. Oh, that's the last one. This is also a really old one, and they don't make the tall pillars anymore. These burn amazing. They give off good smell. The only problem is all the blackness from the soot. So if you don't care about that, which I really don't, it's going to collect on your glass. But this is Celebrate Christmas. It is a really old scent. I do have one more. They don't make it anymore. It's a gingerbready smell. It's one of my favorite Christmas smells. I did buy it again because I have one more, but I don't think you can even purchase this anymore. I made it through 2 room sprays. Icy Blue Spruce, which was a winter scent this year, and Summer Storm, which they have brought back for spring. I enjoyed both of these. The Icy Blue Spruce a little bit more. This is one of my favorite scents. I just don't think I like it as much as in a spray. Then I have a little holiday limited edition candle from this last year in Snowy Night. When it burned, it like lit up all these little things. It was really pretty. It just smells really clean and fresh. I really liked this. If you could buy that still anywhere, you probably can't. I recommend it. It's very nice. I have one little, this is in Berrylicious. It's a tea light candle. I went through one of those. And then I have a few votives. So Farmer's Market, Autumn Wreath. We've got Iced Gingerbread. That's an old one. Sparkling Cinnamon. We've got Cinnamon Stick. And I don't remember what this is. I burn them when I put the little things at the bottom so I can do it. Christmas Cookie. That was really nice. I enjoyed all those. I have this car freshener in Candy Corn, which is really old. You probably wouldn't be able to find these anymore. I really liked that. And then 2 See America ones. So the Grand Canyon one. These are also discontinued. So you probably, and they pulled them from the shelves and like sent them back to the warehouse. And the Golden Gate Bridge. Both of these had they were fine. They were not my sense of smell, and you can't really tell what they were till you bought them and opened them. They're very like clean, linen-y scents, or like soapy, not my thing. So I didn't like those. Then I have a reed diffuser that I put a pineapple oil in. I enjoy that. And then this I got for my sister for Christmas. It's in cucumber melon. It's really, really cute. If you go to facebook.com/homemade sensations, get in there. Come on. Or not. There it is. Oh, God. I'm trying to get it. There you go. Facebook.com homemade sensations. You could get some of these. I don't know if like her friends sold them or if she got it online. It actually burned a few times for a little candle. I liked it. It was nice for when I was in the bath. And then finally we have makeup. So some of these are on my project pan, so I won't necessarily be throwing them away. I'll be saving them for the project pan update. But I have two little lip brushes. They were like, I don't know, sanitary single double use ones. They were fine. I have this little sample from Elixir Cosmetics lipstick in Serendipity. If I can open it, I always have trouble. Kind of like a mauve lipstick. There's 2 uses in there. It was fine. I don't think I would purchase these. I am decluttering 2 eyeshadows that I had depotted because they're falling apart. They're from Ulta Beauty, Butterfly Wings and Honey Bomb, I think. So I don't like them either. I'm getting rid of them. I finished off my Kat Von D Contour Shadow in Lucid. So, I'm fully done with that. Very exciting. It actually didn't take that long, but I haven't been wearing makeup that much. I made it through the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. This had probably 3 in this little packet applications. I probably used it twice though. I finished off my Ulta Beauty little mini mattifying face primer. I do have a big one of this. I really like it. I like that the mini has this weird chapstick applicator, but finally made it through that. This finally went bad. I think there's still some in there, but the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Plumper, all the words have come off in medium to dark. I did like this. It's for your brows. I finished a L'Oreal, or not L'Oreal, CoverGirl Perfect Point Plus eyeliner in black onyx. So it has a smudger, and I never really seem to use these on the end, and then nothing comes up when you click it. So made it through that. And I finished off my Lancome Mantra Big mascara. I really liked this. I got this free, probably from Ulta Beauty. I would definitely repurchase that again. And then surprisingly, I think I finished this in like 3 days. This Urban Decay Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lipstick. So that's like the ones in the square tubes normally. I got this in Naked. I got this in a Sephora Christmas like mystery bag. So you knew 2 of the lipsticks, and I think this was the one that I didn't know about, which I was happy I got. It smells minty. It tingles a little bit on your lips, but I have literally scraped out the tube and taken out the stopper and enjoyed every little moment of that. So this one I really liked on a daily. I would really consider repurchasing this again, except that I have a ridiculous amount of lip products, so I probably don't need to, but I will keep it in the back of my mind for another day. So yeah, that is everything I've finished up. A lot of stuff I've liked or used before. Let me know what you've liked. If you like this video, please click like, give it a comment if you want. Let me know what you finished this month. Keep watching. I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, which is today. I'm actually filming this one today because I was lazy, and well, no. Yesterday was my last day of work at Yankee Candle. They closed my store, so I was just kind of dealing with that and everything. So let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel and have a wonderful day. Bye.